Guys, today is the 4th of July, and some of you wondered what happened to our first gen Cummins. It's a patriotic vehicle. We need to go get fireworks. I figured this is the perfect thing to go. New door panel, but it runs really good. Look at this, they still got fireworks. We're rocking and rolling. Who in the hell comes up with the names for these fireworks? Bite your tushy? Angry Beaver? Any idea what that is? We'll get some of that. We'll grab that. We'll take that with us. How are we gonna carry all this stuff is the question. All right, this will work for about 5 minutes. We're gonna blow everything up. This is a business expense. Let's pull out the business card. We found another tent. Oh, this is my happy place, my happy time. What do you think would happen if I lit this on fire and put it in the car?
The car would probably blow up.
Today on Factor Cap, we'll find out.
I'm talking about hellfire, hellfire, oh hellfire, that's where I'm bound.
We're obviously going to start the evening off with the lightest one. So we set it down there, we light it, and then we run away. We need a bigger one. What do we have? Do you have a pot in your truck? Oh! I told you the pan was gonna be fine. This one don't light. Okay, never mind. This is just a normal day for us. This is what we do every evening before we go to bed, just to make sure we have enough America out of our system. Or America into our system, actually. I'm excited to see what the 4000 special does. Warning, use only under close adult supervision. There ain't no adults out here, okay. This is to freedom. Yeah. That's to freedom. That's for freedom. Them are the boomers, right?
Yeah, a bunch of boomers didn't go off. Dang.
One. Let's do that again. Hey, that's freedom. Guys, it's a sad day. We gotta give this car back. Got some special NASA space computer in it, and that's the reason why it doesn't make as much horsepower as it needs to. Come to find out, this is actually a prototype. This is one of the first Dodge Charger wide bodies ever built, but now we gotta send that car back. But there is good news, because while they are taking this one back, that one over there, yeah, that one we get to keep to race with. Bullhorns, I know it's a little bit of a different thing. You got an eviction notice from the first car, but I got a second car to put you on. And this car actually runs perfectly. So we're gonna go weigh it, see how much weight we gotta lose. That way we can win this competition. And also we got some secret operations that we're gonna be doing with this car. I can't quite tell you guys yet. I will say a lot of you have guessed what I'm going to be doing with this car. It's not come and swapped. I'm not come and swapping it. That was one of the rules. I couldn't come and swap it, and I couldn't cut the roof off. That was the 2 rules that Dodge gave me. And I was against them rules. This right here is where a moment of truth is made. I wonder how much this thing weighs. Holy, 5,120 pounds? How the hell is this thing over 5,000 pounds? I know people said these were boats, but that is freaking heavy. Hopefully that back seat weighs 1,000 pounds. So we're gonna take literally everything that we don't think needs to be in this car and take it out of this car. We got a lot of work to do. Don't need that. Definitely don't need that. You don't need seats. We definitely don't need this. I told you I'm really good at taking stuff apart. The going back together is the problem. No wonder they steal a Hellcat interior. How long have we been working on this? 15 minutes? We do have to sacrifice though, is now that we've taken the back seats out, we can't haul good looking women. I'll have to ride on my lap. I guess maybe this isn't a disadvantage. Ooh. Ooh. We didn't need all of these things. Ta-da. I call this a good job. Charger Hellcat convertible. It's party all the way. I'm gonna call them and see if they were really kidding. Let me see where the Sawzall's at. The guy from Dodge called me the other day. So I think if I just send him a picture of me sitting here nonchalantly with my Sawzall, I'll be like, hey, you sure you don't want me to make a convertible Hellcat for you guys? I look insane. Why didn't you tell me I look crazy? I think it's done. You think we lost any weight? Well, we lost like 200 pounds. 5,100 to 4,800. So we saved a little bit of weight, but not a whole lot. This thing is so freaking wide. We are gonna do that.
No, we're not.
Dude, that was a brilliant idea. We're gonna do that. Door won't open because now it's hitting the fender because the car slid back when I tightened the ratchet straps. That work? Like a professional. Told you that was a good idea. So guys, the main objective today is to see exactly how fast our stock wide body Hellcat is, to see how much room we really got to make up. And I gotta get my reaction time down because this is a flashlight drag, which means the light's on and you go. That's what this race is in Detroit. There's still gonna be really comparable cars, so the reaction time is going to be key to winning. This is a really good chance to see if we're good at drag racing, because, or not even see, just to get better at drag racing, because the only time I've drag raced is I've drag raced 3 times in the smokestack, and every single time I've seemed to blow that intercooler setup apart, and I'm gonna go 13 seconds or faster. Like a mother! Oh my god! Okay, this drag race is fun. This is a lot more funner when you just do it with this and air conditioning and your car don't break halfway down the track. So that was freaking awesome. Okay, I have no idea what a good reaction time is, but I had a reaction time of 0.2222. It was a lucky reaction time, regardless if it was good or bad. Dude, it is so fast! It spun really hard. It ran a 12.0 at the quarter. It ran an 8.0 at the 8th. It's so much faster, but we just had it in track mode. You got any other tips for me?
Don't blow up.
What's a good reaction time?
Quad zeros.
But we got it. I'm hooked. I love this. Drag racing is awesome. It's about getting that launch off. It has no traction. Reaction time's still back. Damn it. Reaction 0.1442. Reaction time 847. You got a 3-digit. Something smells hot. It's just a little hot. It's like 220 degrees. It's not that bad. We're testing out for you guys. It does 10 back-to-back rows on the drag strip without a problem.
Like, no way. I watched this dude that has like...
You watch me on the hub?
Yeah. I watched
Don't
like...
tell the girl.
I watched like all your like...
This is my grandson, Caden.
Hey, how you doing?
He's got something for you, but he's too embarrassed to give it to you.
Oh my God. Did you get this for me? You're freaking awesome. I knew it. What size did you get?
It's a triple.
Dude, you knew I was extra fat. You got it. You're awesome. Mocan Dragway, Asbury, Missouri. Hell yeah. Since 1962.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, that's awesome. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it.
Least we can do since we threw your bumper away.
Hey, that's all right. I mean, we've run a lot of passes. I don't know if you're supposed to go right back around like that, but
We made by the lap.
how many laps have we ran?
I think you've made about 78 cents so far.
Picture the final part of my car.
No, I don't at all. What the hell part of the car is this?
It's the back piece on my fire.
Browning on the Gixxer, Weston Champlin back for pass number 7,432 of the night.
Cletus McFarland a message. I'm like, hey, I got invited to this drag race. You got any tips for me? And his tips were put aftermarket rear tires on it. So Cleet, if you're watching, you was right. I got this theory in my mind. I think if when the third light comes on, I say, come on, baby, go! Real quick, and then I leave, I think it'll be perfect timing. That's my thinking. All right, let's do this one more time. This is the final time. Third light?
Okay, now we're where we're at. Let's try the third bulb.
All right.
When you see the third bulb come on, leave.
All right. You're awesome. Thank you, dude.
Yeah, just trying to help you out a little bit.
You're awesome. We got the reaction time down. That was .0082.
That was the best.
That was the best by the miles. How you boys doing?
We got some fans here. You got a second?
Yeah, I always got a second. Pass. I almost ran 11s, but we just cannot get this car to leave. But next time, we're going to install more power secretly. I can't tell you guys yet what it's going to be. We're going to install better tires and wheels. I'm ready for the race. The car is not ready for the race yet, but it will be.